Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy for growing your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup, and then after that I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so the first thing we have to do here is to click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we are going to be adding the first indicator we have here, which is the moving average. Okay, so you are going to click on this plus icon. After clicking on that, you search for your moving average. Okay, so these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 35, the shift is 0, method is simple, apply to is close. The levels, we leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. Now on the style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Okay, now the next indicator we have here is move MACD. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this main window plus icon again. You search for your MACD, and then you change the properties to these settings you are seeing here. Okay, the fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to is close. All right, the level, you leave it as it is, time frame, all time frame. The main, you make it the color of your background, 1 pixel. The signal, the color of your background, 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. Right, so when you add the the moving average and the MACD, you are going to have this blue line, and there's going to be indicator window one being formed here, but there will be nothing showing. Okay, so after that, the next indicator we have here is the envelope. All right, now in the envelope, you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon. All right, the indicator window one plus icon is the one you have to click on before you search for your envelope. Okay, now after searching for the envelope, these are the properties. The period is 5, the shift is 0, deviation you have 0.000. All right, the method is linear weighted, the apply to is first indicators data. All right, the last one here. Okay, now the next thing we have is the level. All right, but you don't have to change anything there. The time frame, you make it all time frame. The style, you make it color green, 3 pixel. All right, the style, we have upper band which is color green, lower band which is color red, 3 pixel for the both of them, and you click on done. All right, now the next indicator we have is alligator. All right, so you click on this plus icon again, the second plus icon, you search for your alligator. These are the properties for the alligator. All right, so what you have to do here is to take a screenshot of everything you are seeing here. All right, so just take a screenshot. You can see the jazz period is 13, teeth period is 8, lips is 8, shift and jazz shift is 5, teeth shift is 5, lips shift is 3. The method is smoothed, apply to its first indicators data. All right, time frame is all time frame. Now the jazz, you make it the color of your background, which is black. If you are using a white, you make it white. All right, 1 pixel. The teeth, you make it color white, 3 pixel, and you are done. The lips, color blue, 3 pixel, and you are done. After that, you click on done. All right, now the last indicator we have here is the relative strength index. Okay, so you are going to be clicking on this second plus icon again, then you add your relative strength index. All right, now the period is 20, the apply to is close. All right, the levels we have 15 and 85. All right, color red, 3 pixel, and you click on done. All right, now the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, which is black, 1 pixel, and you click on done. All right, so after setting everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, so this is how the strategy is. That is how to set it. Okay, now before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about my powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP boom and crash strategy, which I've been giving to my subscribers. Okay, so if you are a newbie and you have been blowing your account, all right, you are looking for a perfect strategy for you to grow your small account, I have a powerful boom and crash strategy that I'm giving out. Okay, if you're interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Right, so make sure to message me directly so that we discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, it's a very powerful strategy for helping beginners grow their small account. Okay, so if you're interested, don't forget to message me directly. All right, so that's it about that. Now back to our strategy, which is this. All right, now how does this particular strategy here work? It's a very simple strategy to understand, very simple, no stress, okay, and it's very profitable also. Okay, now these are the conditions. The first thing you have to take note of is that you want to allow price gets to the oversold level. This is crash 1000. All right, this strategy works on crash 1000 and boom 1000. Okay, so on boom you are going to be doing the opposite. All right, you apply the condition opposite on the opposite side of boom. Okay, so here on crash now, the first condition is that you want to allow our indicators here, the red, blue and white, to get to the oversold level, which is this level here. All right, so once it gets to this level, that's the first condition. All right, now the second condition, it doesn't mean that this straight line will get to the levels. Okay, if the red is touching the oversold level, it means that price has gotten to the oversold, and any moment from then it will start reversing to the upside. Okay, so once it gets to this area, that's the first condition. Now the second condition is that you want to see this red now start crossing above this blue and white line here to the upside. All right, so once it start crossing to the upside, that's the second condition. Right, now the third condition before you take your entry in order to be safe is that you want to also see that this candlestick here crosses above the blue line on the main chart. All right, so once it start crossing above the blue line on the main chart, you just go in for 5 candles. Right, in order to be safe, you pick 5 candles, but with this strategy you can take up to 10 candles. All right, you can take up to 10 candlesticks and you are still good to go. Right, but for those of you who will be growing your $10 account, I will advise you just stick to 5 candles, and that will be more safer. Okay, because you're having a small account, any pullback you might not survive. Okay, but if you're having, let's say, $100 account, then you can be taking 10 candlesticks with this strategy and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that is how the strategy works. It's a very simple strategy to understand. All right, so what I want you guys to do is that you want to backtest the strategy very well. All right, so make sure you backtest it. Once you see that it's working for you, once you see that the strategy is good and you like it, then you can go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so don't just take my words for it. Make sure you put in the work. All right, after putting in the work, make sure you are consistent with it. All right, I promise you, in the long run, you'll see yourself making profit with this strategy. All right, so for the new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. All right, so join. There is an opportunity going on right now in that channel, and I don't want you guys to miss. Okay, so join us now and you'll never regret it. All right, so I think that's pretty much everything for you guys today. I'll be seeing you in the next video. I'll go through this one more time. The first condition is that you want to allow the red get to the oversold level. All right, that's the first condition. Secondly, it needs to cross above the blue and white line. All right, that is second. And then thirdly, it also needs to cross, the candlestick needs to cross above the blue line on the main chart, and you are good to go. You just pick 5 candles, you exit the market, you make your money, and you look for another opportunity. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Silver out.